example 3. This is an extract from a credit card statement. I wish this was in the right spot. There we go. All right, this is an extract from a credit card statement. This is based on 15% per annum, which has a daily rate of 0.041096%. Okay. Calculate the interest. So there's the. Do you guys know how to read that table? All right, 1st of June. On the 1st of June, the balance was $900. So that's how much they owed on the 1st of June. On the 10th of June, they paid $400 back. So now they only owe $500. That make sense? Yeah. Was $900, paid $400, they only owe $500. Okay. Then the next one, you'll notice credit and debit, they're in different columns. The next debit, there was a $350 purchase. So now they owe $850. Then they owe they borrowed another $140. So it's $990. What we have to calculate is the interest. How do you reckon you do it? It's early. I'm a little annoyed now. How do you do it? It is 15% per annum, but we've got a daily rate. Calculate the interest what we do in the month of June, given there is no interest-free period, and we are doing it per day. Stop. So how do we calculate the interest on this? Thinking about it, we're doing it daily, not over the whole month. You could write down the formula, that would be good. Well, let's write down. We know that the formula is going to be not that. Let's do that. Let's go. We know the formula that we're using is that. Okay, P is going to change each part of this question. R is not going to change. N is going to change. So let's write down the interest rate. Well, actually, not even write it down. Let's highlight it because we've got it there already. Okay, so for this first part, we have to work it out. Now, this is what I'm trying to get you guys to think about. They do it on a daily rate. So how much did they owe on the 1st of June? How much did they owe on the 1st of June? 900. How much did they owe on the 2nd of June? How much did they owe on the 2nd of June? 3rd of June? 4th of June? 5th of June? 6th of June? 7th of June? 8th of June? 9th of June? What about 10th of June? Right, so for how many days did they owe $900? 9 days. So, if we have a look at this particular part right here, the interest rate is going to be that. But what's our P going to be? How much did they owe? 900. What's our N going to be? How many days? Okay. Now look at this next bit. What's our P going to be? 500. It says it there. And then for how many days? 10th of June. What they owe on the 11th of June? 12th of June. 13th of June. And the 14th of June. So N equals 5. Then this part here. How much do they owe? Okay, they owed that on the 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th, and 21st. 7 days. Because how many days did they owe $500? They owed $900 on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th of June. How many days? That's why we've got 9. Why? From the 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th. Because you've got to count the 0 as well. It's like counting from 0. You don't count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're counting 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Internet land, you should have seen the visuals. Okay. What about this one? They now owe $990. How long do they owe? I'll do my best to delete that section. Okay, $990. How much do they owe it for? You count the 22nd because that's when they did it. Okay, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. That would be 9. Yes. Okay, can you see what I've done? What do you need in the formula? What does the formula require? It requires 3 things. What are they? 3 things. What are they? Guys, what are the 3 things they require for the formula? P, R, N. Cool. We've got R sitting up there. We've now got the P and the N. Now, you may notice we have to do the I equals PRN 4 times. Not yet, because we don't know what they are yet. You could do it as one big formula. You could do 900 times that number times 9 in brackets plus that number. You could do that 4 times, but it's easier actually if to just do it 4 times. So what do we got? I equals, and we'll call that I1 just because we want to. I equals 900 times 0.041096% times 9. Now I want to double check that. Whee. Okay, so 15% equals that divided by 365 gives you, yeah, cool. All right, so if you're putting this into your calculator, be aware that normally we would write that as decimal. What is the decimal version of that? I know it is a decimal at the moment, but if we wrote the decimal version of that, what would it be? Okay, because we divided it by 100. So to write the decimal version of that, because that is a percentage, we'd have to divide it by 100. So you get 0.0041096. I've written the percentage sign in there, so as long as you put the percentage sign into your calculation, it's fine. But if you don't put the percentage sign in, you're going to be 100 times off. Okay, so what did you get for that first one? Okay. Wow. Okay. So I2 is 500 times 0.041096% times 5. Which will give you what? $1.02. Yeah. What's your next one? Go, we've got 2 to go. Okay. Yep. Then, last thing we've got to do. You can see what? You shouldn't be copying. You should be working it out and doing it yourself. Of course you are. Oh, okay. Can't look and listen at the same time. Can't write and listen. All right. All right. Is everyone happy with that? Do you know what I did, Jacinta? I did plus them. Oh, that's so clever. You got what?